Today I am showing you how to sound exactly like Xtsy, but in a different preset of him. I am telling you don't want to miss out with this preset. Some peoples think you need plugs in, I don't know, but don't use Bandlab without headphones. It gonna sound trash if you got headphones or you got Bluetooth speaker in your car or whatever. It gonna sound pressure and clean. But anyway, let's get to it.
Got a bad bitch, she know everywhere I go. Put that bad bitch on VVS. Shorty say she love my shows. Big booty yo, come and take it dick. Bad bitch off of Purdy. She go down when she off of Purdy. Baby, let's go, rock and roll. Shorty say she like my good cup. Fuck on the best foot. Baby, let's rock and roll. Yeah, bitch go. Bad bitch eating me up like a popsicle. She go everywhere I go. Shorty go.
DM me if you want this preset. Peace out.
Leave a fuck nigga in the grave, nigga. We left that nigga in the gap, yeah, we gon'